Welcome to part 5 of the Get to Know Your Sport series. Get to know tennis. 10 questions, 3 potential answers, and 10 seconds on the clock. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the term for a score of 0 in tennis? Love. How many players are there on the court in a doubles match? Four. What is the name of the line at the back of the court? Baseline. How many points are needed to win a game in tennis without ties? Four. Which of the following is a tennis Grand Slam tournament? Wimbledon. What is the term used when the score is tied at 40-40? Deuce. What is the maximum number of serves a player is allowed in a single point? Two. Which surface is the French Open played on? Clay. What do you call a serve that the opponent cannot return? Ace. In tennis, how many sets must a player win to win a standard match for men's Grand Slam? Three. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button so you don't miss the next video.